Are you still wasting time copying Facebook leads into your CRM? So stop and let automation do the work for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I am going to show you something that completely changed the way you manage your leads. Imagine someone scrolling through Facebook and they see your ad, they are interested and they fill out your lead form. Normally, after this, you would to open Facebook, copy the lead details, then open your CRM and manually create a new contact. This process is repetitive, slow and very easy to mess up. So instead of spending time on manual work, let's automate it. Now I am going to show you how this works in real time. So here I am going to send some test leads through my Facebook lead ads by entering all the details in this form. That is the full name as dummy user, one dummy email address and one test contact number. Lastly, the city name. Once I entered all the details, I will click on this continue button. After that, I will click on the submit button. See, the moment the form has been submitted, a new contact has been created in my Zoho CRM, which includes all the details, and you can see that the name, email, phone number and the city is the exactly same as what was entered in the Facebook lead form. There is no copy paste, no delay and no manual effort. So this is the powerful automation we will be building in this video. Now that you have seen the automation working properly, let's understand how to create it step by step. But before moving forward, I want to share something extremely important with you. If you are planning to purchase any Pabbly subscription, use my exclusive coupon code MEHPC. By using this code, you will get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So don't forget to use it. Now we will start the creation of this amazing automation step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing any single line of code. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then simply click on the sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing integration between application, and this will be only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I will go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Once I click on it, it will provide me two types of workflow builder, name as new beta and the classic version. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I will select this. Next, I am going to enter my workflow name as automate smarter not harder with Pabbly Connect, as I am creating a dummy integration between Facebook leads, ads and Zoho CRM, just only to teach you how the automation will be created. Later, you can make the integration on any other application by using the same logic. Next, I will select the folder as Pabbly Connect. After that, I will click on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now, this is the most important step of doing any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first step you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, I am going to take my trigger application as Facebook leads ads. That's why I will simply click on this plus option. Trigger says when this happens. Now I am searching Facebook leads ads in this field. Once I select the app, next I will select the app event as new lead instant. After that, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next, I will click on this connect with Facebook leads ads. See, as my Facebook account is already logged in the system, that's why I will simply click on this continue button. See, my Facebook account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to select the page name in this field as the Magic Makers. Next, I am going to select the lead generation form as new lead ads form that I have already created in my Meta Developers account. Moving forward, you can see one option by the name of response format, which includes two quick options, name as simple and advanced. So if you want to receive a response in simple format, then you will select this option, or if you want to receive a response in advanced format, then you will select this. But I am selecting the response format as simple. Next, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, it is waiting for a webhook response. Now, for getting this webhook response, you have to simply click on a new tab and search Meta Developer account. Once you search this, then you have to click on this Meta for Developers link. See, the Meta page is going to appear in front of you. In this page, you have to simply click on this My Apps option, as my Facebook account is already logged in here. Now, here I am going to click on this Tools option. After that, I will click on this All Tools. Once I click on the All Tools button, then this Developer Tools page is going to be present in front of you. Here you have to scroll down and click on this Lead ADRS RTU Debug tool. So I am simply clicking on it. Once I click on it, here you have to select the page. So I am using the page as the Magic Makers, as I selected in this field. Next, I am going to select the product as lead retrieval, and the form I am going to select as new lead ads form. After that, I will click on this preview form option. Once I click on it, see, the form is appear in front of me. Now I am going to enter test details in each of these fields. This time I am going to enter the username as a smart user, one test email address and contact number. Lastly, the city as Indore. Here I have entered all the details. Next, I will click on this continue button. Moving forward, the submit button. See, our form has been submitted successfully. Now we will go and check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, I have received a new response which includes all the leads that I have entered while filling the form. This means that my Facebook lead sites is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect and it is working perfectly. Now, the setup of my Checker application is done. After that, I am going to take my action application as text formatter, because I want to split my user's full name as first name and last name. That's why I'm simply selecting this text formatter from here, and the app event I'm going to select as split text. Next, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me one field by the name of text to split, so I'm simply clicking on it and going to select my username from the previous response, means this Facebook leads ads as a smart user. Once I select the username that I want to split, next I am going to enter the separator as space, as it is clearly mentioned in the below that enter the characters or word separator to split the text. For space as separator, use space. So here I have simply used the space. Next, in the segment index, I am going to select as all. Once I select this, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, my username has been successfully splitted. Now next, I am going to take my action application as Zoho CRM, because as soon as whenever a new lead has been come through my Facebook leads ads, then automatically a new contact is created in my Zoho CRM. For that, I will simply click on this plus option and searching the app as Zoho CRM. Here I selected. Next, the app event I am going to select as create contact. After that, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will select this add new connection. Next, I will click on this connect with Zoho CRM. See, it is asking me to enter the domain. So my domain is zoho.com. So I am simply copying this zoho.com from here. Once I copied the domain, then I am going to paste it here. Next, I will click on the save button. See, the Pabbly is asking me for my permission, so I am permitting it by clicking on this accept button. See, my Zoho CRM account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Next, I am going to do the mapping of the response from my previous application. Now, what is mapping? So mapping is the process of making data dynamic. In simple words, different users have different data. So for capturing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. Now, to do the mapping, you have to simply click on the field. Once you click on it, the previous steps has been appeared in front of you. So in this field, I am going to map my user's first name that I will create it by splitting it from the text formatter. So I am simply mapping the first name here as a smart. Next, in this last name field, I am going to map the last name. Once I mapped all these fields, then in this email field, I am going to map the email from the Facebook lead ads responses. Here I mapped. Next, I will map the mobile number. See, here I am mapping only some fields just only to teach you how the automation and how the mapping will work. You can map more data completely based on your own needs and requirements. As these are not required fields, so I am leaving this blank. And lastly, I am going to map the city name in this field as Indore as I received from this Facebook leads ads. Here I mapped. Next I will click on the save and send test request button. See, we have received the positive response. Now I am going to my Zoho CRM account to check whether a new contact is created or not. See, automatically a new contact has been created in my Zoho CRM, which includes the leads that I have mapped in each of these fields. That is, the first name as Smart, last name as User, email address, mobile number, and the city name as Indore. So this is how mapping works. With the help of this mapping, all the user leads will be dynamically added in your Zoho CRM. So as a new contact has been created in our Zoho CRM, this means that our workflow is working perfectly and our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. With the help of this amazing automation, whenever a new lead can be applied through your Facebook leads ads, then automatically a new contact has been created in your Zoho CRM. And all of this is made possible without you doing any manual inputs from your side using an automation tool named as Pabbly Connect. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. As I told you earlier, I have created this dummy integration between Facebook leads ads and Zoho CRM just only to teach you how the automation will be created and it works in real time. So automate smarter, not harder, using Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.